Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to explore about animations in CSS. So if you are new here, hit the subscribe button to stay updated on future content. Now let's start the video. Yes, so as you can see I have created one animation.html file in my CSS folder and I have created one circle, okay. With the few CSS I have created this circle and we can see this color over there as well, and we can see HTML we have one container and inside that one div. For that container we have applied flex property and we are just making that circle center, okay, in the screen, and we also taken full screen height, okay, which is 100 vh. Then we have circle, we have taken width and height, we have applied background color, and we have said right border radius 50%, which is making it circle. If I don't do that, it's a square, okay. So now let's see the basics of the animation, how exactly we can create the animation and we can apply it on this circle, okay. So the first thing what we are going to do for the animation is we are going to create one animation which will make these colors change automatically, okay. So suppose red, green, blue, yellow, okay. So these four colors are there, it should be applying those animation over here, okay. It's automatically change the color, okay. So that animation we are going to try now, okay. Yes. So for creating animation, we have to write here in the styles tag, or in if you have the CSS file, there what you can do is you can write and you can say key frames, okay, and then you can give any name to your whatever animation you are defining, okay. So I will say animation 1 for now and then curly braces, okay. So inside that you need to write the keyframes, okay, when you want this color to be changed, okay. Right now we are making this circle color to be changed to some other color in the animation, okay. So suppose for this animation you are taking like 5 seconds, okay. 5 seconds you want this animation to be run, okay. So that time you can divide that 5 seconds into a percentage, like 0% to 100%, okay. So this is how you have to divide it, and you have to say at what time you want to change the color, okay. So I'll say first 0% and then curly braces, I'll say background color should be red, okay. So 0% if I say, it means at the start, okay, at the start of animation I want the background color as red, okay. Then what I'll say at 50%, okay, at 50% I want to change that background color to yellow, or let's say green, okay. I want to change. So if I say 4 second, or if I say 5 second, okay, for 2.5 seconds, which is the 50%, that time the background color automatically changes to green color, okay. And then 100% I will say, so for 100% the background color will be something crimson. Yes, the crimson color will apply on the 5th seconds, okay. So this is how the seconds will here. I'll just comment down and write over here. For the 0% we can say first second, okay. Then for the 50%, 2.5 second, that's a 50% of 5 seconds, and then this 100% is the 5th second, okay. So this is how the animation we can create like this, okay. And now you see nothing is happening because we need to give it to this circle as well, okay. So for that what you have to do is here, after that you can write animation and then you can write the name of this thing, okay. So first thing it will accept is name, then how many seconds you want it to be run, okay. So if I say 5 seconds, it will run for 5 seconds, and now you see it started changing the color, okay. So first it's darken, just refresh and it will again start, okay. So I have applied animation here and I have given like 5 seconds and it's started and it's ended as well, okay. So then one more property inside that we can provide is how much count, okay. If I say 5 count, it will repeat that thing 5 times, okay. You see it will go for 5 times. But if I say only one, it will say one, like it will run for 1 second and it will end, okay. It will not going to do anything there. You see this color is coming. So let's change this color to yellow first. the by default color will know that, and once it's stop, we will know that it is stop actually. Okay, now you see it's turned into yellow and it's not going further, means it's stopped, the animation is stopped because we have set only one. Okay, if I say 2 here, it will run for 2 seconds. Okay, you can see here, now it's crimson, red, and then green, and then crimson. Okay, and now it will going to turn in yellow. Okay, now you can see. So this is how the other property will work. Okay, so instead that if you want to continuously run that, okay, that time you can say infinite. Okay, that time it will never going to stop, it will run this animation for infinite times. Okay, so that's how you can use the animation property. Okay. Yes. So as you can see, like we have applied the background color. Okay. If suppose I want to do something else as well for the 0 second and for the 100%. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll use transform property to scale up and scale down. Okay. So at the initial condition, first thing I'll just comment on this for now. It will be yellow color only. Let's see if we can get something else. Yeah, this is the color, fine. So I'll use transform property to scale up and scale down this particular thing. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll say 0.5 for the 0 second, and then transform again in the 2.5 second, which is 50%. That time I want this to be 1.5, and again for the 100% I'll say scale 0.5. Okay, and let's enable this and let's see what effect we are going to get now. Now you see it's going up and down and changing the color as well. Okay, so this kind of effects you can provide. It's not like only one CSS you can use inside this. Okay, you can use multiple CSS and you can provide that animation to your component or the cards. Okay, so this is about the simple animation, how we can create with the animation and the keyframes. So if you enjoyed this, please hit the subscribe and the like button and stay tuned for more videos in future. Thanks for watching.